What if I told you that 90% of your car's weird electrical problems, like random warning lights, glitchy radios, dead power windows, or even a rough idle, can be solved with one free trick that takes less than 10 minutes? No tools, no expensive shop visits, and it works on almost every car made in the last 20 years. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you this free battery reset trick mechanics rarely talk about and explain why it works. By the end of this video, you'll know how to do it safely, what to expect afterward, and why this trick could save you hundreds of dollars. Why cars develop electrical issues over time. Modern cars are rolling computers packed with dozens of electronic modules controlling everything from engine timing to power seats. These modules learn and adapt to your driving habits, fuel quality, and even local climate. That's great for performance and efficiency until something goes wrong. A weak battery during winter, a random sensor glitch, an alternator hiccup, or even just replacing an old part. These situations can confuse your car's electronic control units, ECUs. Instead of resetting automatically, they sometimes hold on to bad data, leading to strange behaviors like warning lights that won't go away even after fixing the problem, power windows or locks acting up, transmission shifting weirdly, an unstable idle or hesitation when accelerating. The free battery reset trick. The fix? A battery reset, a simple process that clears learned memory from the car's modules and forces them to start fresh, as if the car just rolled out of the factory. Why mechanics don't tell you about this? It's often the first thing they do when diagnosing, but they charge for a full scan and inspection. If you can do it yourself, you might avoid paying $100 or $150 for something that takes minutes. How to perform the battery reset. Step 1. Safety. First, make sure your engine is off and the key is out of the ignition. Engage the parking brake and open the hood. Step 2. Disconnect the battery. Start by disconnecting the negative terminal, black cable first. Then, disconnect the positive terminal, red cable. This prevents any accidental short circuit and clears power to the modules. Step 3. Drain residual power. With both cables disconnected, press the brake pedal and hold it for 30 seconds. Alternatively, turn on the headlights for 30 seconds. This step drains any remaining electricity from the car's capacitors, ensuring the modules fully reset. Step 4. Wait. Leave the battery disconnected for at least 10 minutes. For stubborn issues, wait 30 minutes. Step 5. Reconnect the battery. Connect the positive terminal first, then the negative. Tighten both securely. Step 6. Start the car. Turn the key and let the car idle for 5 to 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. This allows the ECU and other modules to relearn idle parameters. What happens after the reset? Once power is restored, the car starts from a clean slate. The engine control unit recalibrates fuel trims and idle speed. Transmission modules relearn shift timing. Comfort features like power windows and memory seats may need to be reinitialized. Just follow your owner's manual. You might notice a slightly rough idle or delayed transmission shifts for the first 50-100 miles. That's normal. It's the system learning your driving patterns again. Real-world example. 2017. Honda Civic owner reported multiple warning lights after replacing a weak battery, ABS, traction control, and even a check engine light. Instead of paying $140 for a diagnostic, he tried the free battery reset trick. Within minutes, every warning light disappeared, and the car ran perfectly. This is common because replacing or disconnecting a battery often confuses control modules. A reset lets them sync correctly again. Why this works and when it won't. This trick works because it clears adaptive memory, which includes things like idle speed adjustments, transmission shift logic, Emission control adaptations. Electrical module error states when it won't work if there's an actual failing component, like a bad alternator or dead sensor, if wiring is damaged or corroded, if your battery itself is faulty. But for temporary electrical glitches and software-related issues, this reset is often all you need. When should you use this trick? After replacing the battery. A new battery often causes warning lights or odd electrical behavior because modules detect a sudden voltage spike. Resetting prevents unnecessary trips to the dealership. After installing new parts, if you've changed sensors, throttle bodies, or even spark plugs, the ECU might still be using old adaptive data. A reset forces it to learn from the new components. When you have random electrical glitches, window switches acting weird, radio resetting on its own, door locks clicking, these often trace back to electrical modules confused by low voltage at some point in the past. Before selling a car, want your car to feel smoother during a test drive? Resetting adaptive data gives buyers a like-new driving experience. The psychological advantage. Here's where it gets interesting. Doing this reset also gives you peace of mind. Car problems often create stress because we feel we've lost control. Performing this reset is empowering. You're taking action without spending a dime. Even if it doesn't solve every problem, it eliminates learned glitches and narrows down whether you're dealing with a real hardware issue or just electronic confusion. The science behind electrical memory card computers use what's called volatile memory, temporary, and non-volatile memory, long-term. Disconnecting the battery clears volatile memory, which contains short-term learned behavior. It doesn't erase factory programming, so you're not harming the car. It's simply erasing temporary adaptations. Think of it like restarting your phone when it's slow or glitching. You're not deleting the operating system, just clearing unnecessary cached data. Bonus tip: check the battery health too. Sometimes, strange electrical behavior comes from the battery itself, even if it starts the car. A weak battery can cause low voltage to sensitive modules, corrupted sensor data due to fluctuating power, random warning lights. Use a simple multimeter or take the battery to a parts store for a free load test. Combine a battery health check with this reset, and you're covering the top 2 causes of electrical issues at zero cost. Potential drawbacks and how to handle them. You may lose settings. Radio presets, clock, and sometimes seat memory may reset. Take note of your settings beforehand. Idle may feel rough at first. This is temporary. The ECU is relearning idle fuel trims. Just drive normally for 50 and 100 miles. Reprogramming. Windows or sunroof. Some cars need you to hold the window switch down for a few seconds to reinitialize auto up-down features. Check your manual for quick instructions. Real case study. A rideshare driver using a 2018 Toyota Camry reported recurring traction control and lane assist warning lights after a routine battery replacement. Dealership quoted $180 for diagnostic reset. Instead, he performed the battery reset trick at home, disconnected terminals, pressed the brake pedal, waited 15 minutes, and reconnected. All warning lights cleared, and the car drove flawlessly. He saved money and downtime, essential for someone who drives daily. Why mechanics hate this trick? It's not that they truly hate it. It's just that performing a free battery reset takes away one of their easy diagnostic services. A shop can charge anywhere from $50 to $150 just to clear modules and resync sensors. When you know how to do it yourself safely, you save money and time. Your challenge. Here's what I want you to do. Locate your car battery and identify the positive and negative terminals. Try the reset exactly as described in Part 1. Drive for 50-100 miles and observe how your car behaves. Then, drop a comment. Did this trick solve your electrical issue? Did you notice smoother driving or cleared warning lights? Your experience might help someone else avoid unnecessary repair costs. Final thoughts. Electrical glitches are one of the top reasons people bring cars to mechanics, and one of the most frustrating issues for drivers. The free battery reset trick is a simple, safe, and effective way to resolve many of these problems without spending a dime. It's quick, it's easy, and it puts you in control of your vehicle's electronics. Whether you're chasing down mysterious warning lights, trying to smooth out your idle, or just giving your car a fresh start, this trick belongs in every driver's toolbox. So next time your car acts up electronically, don't panic and don't immediately reach for your wallet. Try this first. You might be surprised how often it works.